Rotolight AEOS 2 Review. The RGB light that destroys boring shoots. Master Kit Breakdown inside. Let's admit it, you're sick of lugging around clunky lights that suck the life out of your creativity. Ever found yourself fighting your own gear instead of focusing on the shot? Overheating strobes, endless menu digging, slow recycle times, and lights that only give you that one boring white tone? Yep, we've all been there. Your workflow stalls, your focus evaporates, and that perfect shot slips away because your lighting setup feels like tech from the Stone Age. Wasted time, wasted energy, and your creativity? Probably stuck back in 2021. Now multiply that frustration across every shoot. Late nights tweaking flashes that barely sync. Missing moments because your lights just can't keep up. Clients tapping their watches. Your stress climbing. Burnout creeping in. You know you're better than this, yet your setup's holding you hostage. Each missed opportunity to deliver world-class shots hits like a gut punch. What's worse? Everyone else seems to have figured it out, while you're sweating under tungsten nightmares. Feeling stuck yet? Good. Because here's your wake-up call. Enter the Rotolight AEOS 2 Masters Kit, the portable, RGB-powered revolution you didn't know you needed. This isn't your grandpa's strobe. We're talking 16.7 million colors, 2,500 digital filters, and high-speed sync RGB WW flash. Oh, and zero recycle time. Yep, you read that right. The AEOS 2 delivers up to 100,000 full-power flashes on one battery. Pair that with continuous light so powerful and soft it's basically cinematic magic, and suddenly, your creativity's unleashed. With intuitive touchscreen controls and app-powered group control, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. Say goodbye to fussy buttons and limited modes. With the Rotolight AEOS 2, your lighting workflow becomes as seamless as your creative vision. Adjust colors, power, and effects straight from your phone. Use the legendary Cine SFX suite, yes, fire, paparazzi, lightning, and more, to spice up your video projects on the fly. Plus, the ultra-thin lightweight design means setup is quick, your back stays happy, and those heavy rigs? Retired forever. Ready for easy, professional-grade results? Then scroll back up and dive deeper right now. But here's the kicker. This master kit is in limited supply. Thousands of photographers and filmmakers have already upgraded. Why wait? Don't let sold out be the reason you're stuck in creative limbo. Act now. Buy today. Secure your AEOS 2 Masters Kit before it disappears. Whether you're chasing magazine covers, music videos, or viral content, this is your chance to light like a legend. Join the creators already winning. Click, grab yours, and let the AEOS 2 change your game forever.